It's day 19 and we're starting off with some charcoal drawing on this 100-day project. So now I want to take this print, this drawing that I made, and I'm going to put it on the jelly plate so I can transfer it to the paper. Get out my Baron. You've seen me use this technique before. It's a really nice way to get marks on the paper. One reason to do it this way is so that you don't have to fix it, because you're going to lay a layer of matte medium over top, and that's going to take away all the dust and charcoal and smearing. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, we got a nice transfer. Okay, I've laid down some matte medium, and now I'm going to brayer it out lightly. I'm going to try to keep it just where the marks are so I don't get all of that lovely... I did clean this jelly plate recently, so hopefully it will transfer okay. Okay, got our paper. I'm going to be printing on the back side of this. Put a piece of paper down so I don't mess up my drawing on the other side. Oh, sliding everywhere. Okay, let's lift this up. It didn't transfer very well. Usually it's better than that. That's okay, we can work with that. Add some water up here. I'm going to add in some of our lovely Payne's Gray that we love so much. It might be nice to just do like a charcoal wash over this, maybe. I've made a big mess, is what I've made. Got the Inktense block here in the blue Payne's Gray. I'm just going to go through and make some marks through here. Oh, that's really cool. Ooh, that's a fun combo. Love it. Might need a little bit of more painterly marks through here. Kind of just want to get them a little wet so that they're gonna stick to the paper. And then let's go back in with a little bit of palette knife. Let's see if we can make some more marks through here. Those are cool. Oh, I like the those Inktense are really fabulous. I love these marks through here. Okay, my paper is ripping because I did crazy things. Okay, let's let this dry. I'm going to come in with some Sumi ink and just kind of put some through here. I'm going to use this old brush that I've cut up because it makes funky marks and I like it. Almost like a scumbling. Those cool marks you can make. Okay, I think I want to come in with the color shaper now. I don't want to cover up all of what I just did, but I want it to be more solid, I think. Just a little bit. And then I think I want to add in some white here at the bottom. So put down some white on this tissue paper, and then we're going to go back in and just lay it down. I think like right through there. Of course, I want some marks on that. I'll try the palette knife today. And that black is probably still a little wet, so I probably should have dried it, but here we are. I want to see if this palette knife works better than the bone folder. It's going to give us definitely some sharper lines. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, I love that. How fun is that? That's really fun. I think I'm going to add the rest of this down here just a little bit. I think it transfers better with the palette knife. That's really cool. And finally, let's go in with some Inktense black. I like how that's interacting with that white. I probably should have, again, probably should have dried it. Oh well, it's not terribly wet down here. I'm going to add in some of these with the cardboard here. I don't want it to be a lot, but I kind of want to put it through here. Love it. Maybe some through here. Like I said, I don't want a lot, and maybe just right through here. If there's any left on there. Okay. I think that's all I want to do today. I think I like it being monotone and the layers that I've created. Let's take a close-up. Here are a close-up. I like what we did here. I like the charcoal underneath, even though you can't really see a lot of it. I do like it. I like the white marks that we made. I love what's going on up here. I think this is really fun. It's got good energy, and I like it. It's kind of flowing in and out. Yeah, I think this is pretty successful. I like it with no other colors. I mean, I could go in with some yellows and greens and sort of maybe some orange and do some things there, but I think I'm going to leave it monotone and this sort of blue, gray, black, white kind of thing. Okay, and here it is with the matte. What do you guys think? Successful, not successful? Should I add some other colors in there? Maybe some Nico Hazel? I don't know. I think I'm going to leave it. It feels it's a very rainy, dreary day today, and this kind of encapsulates what I was feeling all day. It's kind of dreary and blah. but I like it. I think it's very sketchy and a little different, but yet the same of what I normally make. Okay, so that's going to do it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and come back tomorrow for, I want to say, day 19 of the 100-day project. I'm losing track. Okay, you guys have a good day. Thanks, bye.